Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility, go to the vision section, and then to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback like this. After that, Talkback tutorial starts. So let's listen to it.
Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. Accessibility volume set to 100%.
So, as you may have heard, Talkback works the way that it speaks out loud the text on your screen, because this feature is made primarily for people with blindness or some other vision problems. So if you want to perform any action in Talkback mode, you have to firstly select it.
Close button. Double tap to activate.
And then you can double tap like anywhere you want, and this option will be activated.
Close. Talkback.
Just like this.
Back button.
So if you want to disable
Double
it, you
tap.
can like tap
Use
use Talkback, double tap,
Stop
stop,
button.
or you can just like
Double tap to activate.
or you can just hold down volume buttons for 3 seconds, and after that it will be disabled just like this. So yeah.
K. Kilo.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.